Announcing our new stained glass book, Down East Christmas Stained Glass Patterns, is now available on Amazon. You can get the printed copy or the Kindle edition. With the Kindle Unlimited, you can view the patterns, actually print them as well. You can buy the Kindle edition or the hard copy. So if you're on Amazon, or if you want to check the link below, I'll put it below the video. Check out our new book. It's $24.95. You get 55 plus patterns. We added a few extras. So you should check it out. There's also a preview of the book, a few pages. So Amazon does, it shows you the first couple pages, and you can see the quality of the patterns inside the book. And you can print them, scan them, do what you want to do. Again, there's 55 plus patterns, added a few extras, some of our latest lantern patterns, Christmas trees, and others. It's a really good deal, and your purchase helps support our channel. We also have the book available in our store, or you can click the link below. It's just showing a couple of the patterns inside the book. Yeah, it's a great deal. We also added our 100 Teardrops stained glass pattern book to Kindle, so you can see that book as well, and our 60 Spinners stained glass pattern, all available on Kindle. Here's the 100 Teardrops stained glass pattern book on Kindle, and also you can see a preview of what's inside the book, showing a couple of patterns. There's simpler patterns in the beginning, but it's full of all the teardrop patterns we offer. And also we have the 60 Spinners stained glass patterns on Kindle as well. And again, you can get the preview showing a couple of spinners. So yeah, it's a good deal. And again, with Kindle Unlimited, you can actually see all of, print the patterns. That's going to be a limited deal as well. I'm trying it out to get people used to the patterns of my formatting and the Kindle format, and also all of these books, besides the stained glass Christmas book, the Down East Christmas, will be available in book format. They are available now from my publisher, and that link is in the description below as well. I hope you liked this preview and exciting announcement of our introduction to Amazon. Please like and subscribe to our channel, And if you are a member, you also are aware of the amazing patterns that we offer for free to our members. So if you're not a member, check it out. Join today. You can quit at any time, and membership is $2.99 a month. That also supports our channel. Thank you for watching.